This is my very dirty Panem Cayman S. It's a work in progress, but I thought today we would talk about my airlift setup, because I do have a lot of people ask me, oh, are you static? Are you bagged? What's your air setup? And I've never really touched on it, so I figured now is the perfect time. I'm also going to try to get through this fast because one, I don't want this video to be, super long, and two, it is hot as shit outside. It is hotter than hell. So let's get into it. And yeah, my Red Bull matches my car. That's pretty sick. Red Bull, sponsor me, please. You literally made your summer flavor my car's color. Like, copying me much? Influencer. For real though, please send me a pack of these. This is like this and the Juneberry and the original. I've been running airlift management for a little, around maybe 6 months, and only have amazing things to say about it. I know other people have had issues with their bags failing or their management messing up, but I haven't had a single issue yet, and it's been the most user-friendly thing possible. Here's the overview of my airlift. Here's my highest setting I'm at. Here is my ride height, and then here is me aired out. Now I do have a cohesive install video. It's linked down below in the description, but it's also in my behind the build series on this entire car. I go in depth. You can see the process, this, that, and the other thing. So check that out if you want more information on the actual install process. This is just kind of an overview and a review at this point. But yes, I have Airlift 3P management, but I am running Slammed Enough bags actually. Some of you may know this if you're an OG, but I actually bought my Slammed Enough bags from my friend Ryan, who I did this whole install with at Slammed Enough Gatlinburg 2021. He gave them to me for an insane deal because he had them left over from another Cayman build that ended up not happening. So I got really lucky. But yeah, Slammed Enough bags, Airlift 3P management. Yay! Now, a lot of people don't actually know this, but I do have a full trunk setup. I guess technically for me it'd be a frunk setup. But yeah, hard lines and everything. I'm gonna go over that, so here we go. Yeah, so excuse the lighting. I'm filming this at a very weird time of day where I normally don't film. So it's really harsh, but here's my air tank. Then we have my hard lines, just two simple ones. And then I really wanted a coffin mirror. The mirror is just a mirror from Walmart or Michael's or whatever. The fabric is velvet because I love velvet. I've always been a velvet girly, wanted velvet. Carlos said he'll never do it again. It does not stretch. I actually originally was running a different tank, but it would not fit along this way, and it couldn't fit even diagonal or anything else. So I actually had to exchange a tank with a guy that I didn't even know. So I got his old tank, he got my brand new tank, but it worked out, so yay! Yep, so that's basically everything on my bags. Like I said, you can hit that install video. Here is a little preview of it. It's a pretty cool series. It's a really good install. It's pretty helpful to a lot of people that have at least told me that it is, so that's a plus. If you guys have any questions, let me know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's kind of short, sweet, but come back soon to see new content, I guess. All right, love you guys.